Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Mary G. Walsh Writing Center at Salem State University. Today, I'm going to be walking you through how to make an account with us and how to make an appointment with one of our tutors to have a session to look at your writing. Remember that we are available for all different kinds of writing, compositions, and digital projects, digital writing as well, PowerPoint presentations, and different assignments that you might have for your classes. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is type in Mary G. Walsh Writing Center to your search browser. And usually the first entry that comes up is the official Salem State University website, and that's the one that we're going to want to click. So it's going to take you to the main page, the Mary G. Walsh Writing Center. And you're going to want to scroll down to where it says need a hand with your writing, schedule your appointment. Now, if you don't have an account, you're going to want to go up to the left here where it says first visit and click the link where it says register for an account. So the fields marked with the red asterisk, you do need to fill out. So you can put your first and last name, your email address, what year you are. You can give us your pronunciation if you like, your telephone number. You can put your graduation year, year you expect to graduate, languages you learned and speak at home. You can indicate your major and the college that you belong to. And you can indicate if you were the first to attend college and your student ID number. Then you can set a password. Try and pick one that you can remember, but if you do forget, we do have an automated system where you can request a link to reset your password. So you can also indicate to have some automated emails. So if you'd like a reminder for upcoming appointments, if you'd like a reminder about center announcements. We have different workshops and center events over the course of the semester that we offer. So you might want to stay in the loop so that you can join us. And yeah, you can indicate your text message. If you'd like to get a text message instead, if you prefer that, you can do that. And indicate that you're not a robot. And then hit this big blue button at the bottom, create account. I already have an account, so I'm not going to hit that, but you will if you'd like to make one. And then you'll come back here and you can log in with the information that you just created. And again, the blue button, log in. We're going to click that. So once we're in here, we have a couple different options for ways to have tutoring sessions. So I'm on the in-person tutoring schedule. This means that you would come in for an appointment on the first floor of the Berry Library and meet with one of our tutors in person. Indicates the week. So when I come down here, I'm going to see several different names over here. These are different people, different tutors that you can make an appointment with. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about our tutors, you can come over to one of the white blocks, which means it's available, and you can click into that and you can see a little bio about our tutors and learn a little bit more about them. So one of the other things, if it's purple, this means that it is blacked out and you're unable to make an appointment during this time. If it's blue, it means it's taken by somebody else. And if it's white, it means it's available and you are able to make an appointment during that time. So we also have a remote schedule. So this is if you would like to come, if you would like a remote appointment. We have synchronous, which means that you will meet over Zoom, over video with the tutor, and you'll work live with them on your assignment and your writing. And asynchronous, which is where you will submit For this one, you do have to have something to provide ahead of the session. So you will submit your writing, and the tutor will get back to you within a time frame with comments and feedback. So with this one especially, it's really helpful to provide the reader, the tutor with as much information and assignment details and things that you'd like, sort of assistance with when you're submitting that. So you can make appointments on a remote schedule as well. So I'm going to show you how to make an appointment now back on our in-person schedule. So let's say I decided I want to make an appointment at 3 p.m. on September 11th here, and so here I'm going to put in some appointment details, and this is where you could indicate that perhaps let's say I feel confident for my sources for this assignment, but I struggled with organization and writing concisely. So you can sort of let the tutor know that you would like to work on that during the session. And you can indicate your year. If you have a draft. If you do have a draft, you're going to attach it down here. We accept these formats, so if you have maybe a PowerPoint presentation, you might have to convert it to a PDF and attach it. And you can attach it here and submit that. So I'm just going to indicate that I don't, and I'm going to create the appointment. Okay, now it's going to show up in yellow. Now, if I wanted to cancel an appointment, it's always better to come into the system and cancel your appointments if you cannot attend them. So if you cannot attend your appointments, come into the automated system, select where you are going to have the appointment, come down below to the red button and cancel your appointment that way. And once you hit that cancel appointment button, it will have been removed from the schedule. And there you have it. Remember that you get up to 3 1-hour appointments per week. And if you need more, you can reach out to the center coordinator or center assistant coordinator. If you have any other questions or concerns or problems, please don't hesitate to reach out to our center coordinator, Al DeCiccio, and our center assistant coordinator, Bill Coyle. We hope to see you soon for a tutoring appointment. We can't wait to work with you, and happy writing.